Hello everyone, I am Rashmi Mandal Vijayvargya and I have been teaching you smart contract in this workshop. So we have already seen two small smart contracts. One smart contract was to set the value of a state variable of a method in our contract, and second smart contract we had designed to transfer some currency, some ether to our smart contract. In this session, we shall see how we can withdraw the balance of a smart contract to our account. So we have already seen this code where we have one smart contract, example send money, and I have used a state variable balance received. Then I'm using function receive money, which enables me to set the value of the balance received state variable and at the same time receive the currency into the smart contract. Since this receive money function has been set to payable. This I am doing with the help of the value variable and which I am accessing through message.value. Second thing that we are doing in this smart contract is we are checking the balance of our smart contract. So you need to understand this thing over here, that balance received state variable, it is updated every time some money, some currency is sent to this smart contract. But we are not updating it when we would be actually deducting some amount from this smart contract, or we would be withdrawing some amount from the smart contract. We have set the balance received only to update, to keep a check how much amount was received by this smart contract. This I will show you in the demonstration. So today we have to see the code. This is the code for withdraw. So in this method you can see I have used a variable 2, which is an address variable, and this variable has also been set to payable. And with the help of message.sender, I am assigning the address of the account which is calling this withdraw method, right? So the address of the account which calls the withdraw method, that account's address is assigned to 2, and then using the inbuilt function transfer, I am transferring the smart contract balance to my account, which is being signified by 2. So let's go to Remix to execute this code. So we are in Remix again. So this is my previous code. I have updated the same smart contract and I have typed the method for withdrawal. I've given it the name withdraw from smart contract to be specific. I've declared it public and I have taken a variable 2, which is of type payable and type is address. I'm using message.sender to assign the address of the account which called the withdraw from smart contract method, and I'm assigning the value to 2. With the help of to.transfer, I'm transferring the balance of this smart contract to the account which called this smart contract. I hope this is clear. So let's execute this first in our local environment. Okay, so this has been compiled successfully. How do we come to know? Through this green symbol over here, my smart contract has automatically been compiled and its compilation was successful. So I go into deploy section and I click on deploy. Just see this smart contract is already selected. I have opened only one smart contract. So I deploy this, and since I'm in the local environment, it will be deployed very fast right now. So my smart contract has been deployed. This is the account through which I have deployed. So some gas fee has paid for deploying this smart contract. I'll go in the smart contract and these are the 4 functions that I have. So I quickly transfer 10 ethers to my smart contract and I click on receive money. I wait for it to be through. Just see 10 ethers has come into my smart contract, 10 into 10 to the power 18 way. I can check the balance received and I can check the get balance. Right? Now I will withdraw it in some other account. Say I select the second account which is having 100 ethers, and I will use this account to withdraw. So you can see right now balance is 10 ethers and my get balance function is also giving me the value 10 ethers in the smart contract. When I click withdraw from, let me see whether it worked fine or not. It was mined properly. Yes, it was mined. Transaction mined and execution succeeded. You can see the transaction hash is also created, and this was the address. You can check 0xBFA. From this address the smart contract was called, and to this address the ether has been transferred. You can see now the balance was 100, now it has become 109.99, right? Some transaction fee it has paid, that is why it is not total 110. Now you can see what is the balance of your smart contract. Balance of the smart contract is 0, but balance received variable we have not updated. So balance received will still stay 10 ethers. So again, if I select my first account and if I suppose transfer 20 ethers to my smart contract by clicking on receive money, it is true, successful. See the address. Okay, from this address 0xB34, 0xB34, and if you check the get balance, it is 20 ethers, but balance received will be 30 because this variable we are updating. This is the state variable that we are updating. It is keeping track of the total balance of our smart contract. So now let us switch to MetaMask. I click on injected Web3 and automatically you can see my first account is being shown over here, which is having 0.99 ether. So right now with MetaMask, no contract has been deployed. So I deploy again and it will connect me to MetaMask. I'll click on confirm. I can go in MetaMask and see that whether everything is going fine or not. So this contract is being deployed. So we will wait for some time till this contract gets deployed. So the contract has been deployed. I go in Remix and see my contract has been deployed. My 4 functions are here and you can check from here also. So what right now when I connected with MetaMask and I deployed the smart contract, my smart contract balance is 0 and the address is, you can see it is D1199. That is my MetaMask account address, D1199. Okay, now try to send some ether over here. Say I say 1000 way because this account is having very less balance, so I set it to 1000 way and I receive this value over here. Again, it will take some time since I'm connecting it externally to MetaMask. I'll go in MetaMask and I'll see that the transaction is getting mined. Right now it is pending. Okay, so it is mined, successful. I go in Remix, check the balance, it is 1000 way, balance received is 1000 way. Now what I'll do is I will withdraw in the same account. I'll withdraw from smart contract. This method I will call it from the same account. That is my first account in MetaMask. Since it is right now connected with Remix, you can check over here the connected sites with this. It is connected to Faucet and it is connected to Remix. Okay, so this account is connected to Remix right now. So I will withdraw in this account itself. I had first transferred to smart contract and then I am again withdrawing from this smart contract. click on withdraw from smart contract. Again, this will take some time for deployment. I click on confirm and go and see the MetaMask. Let it get mined. It's mined. Let us check the balance. The balance of my smart contract is 0 now, but the balance received variable will still be 1000, and you can actually, this will not be very much visible in your account because it is in Wave. If it had been in Ether, then it could have been visible. And you can see from here everything went well. You can also see from here that how much value, 1000 value has been withdrawn from your account. Okay, and which is the address which had called this method, and we have the smart contract which was executed, right? So in this session we have learned how we can write a smart contract which can receive some money, which will also enable you to check the balance of your smart contract, and which will enable you to withdraw the amount which is there in the smart contract, right? Apart from this, some other things I wanted to tell you about Remix in Solidity in Remix, like how you can comment a line. You can use it by /. You can comment the line.